I'm not ready for this to be over. This is like a one bite. Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. Today is cheat day and we are going to be making some lobster miso ramen, and we're also going to be eating some donuts. We're not going to be going to somewhere new because I've been here before, but we're going to be getting some Krispy Kreme. I've been craving that and I haven't done that on this channel yet, so we're going to be getting some Krispy Kreme donuts. So if you guys are interested in watching me eat some ramen and getting some donuts, keep on watching. So we're in my kitchen, and right behind me I have the setup of all the ingredients that I'm gonna be needing to make my ramen. And it's really easy, it's so delicious. I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients right now. So we're gonna show you the ingredients. So we have some lobster right here. This is some cooked lobster. I have some lobster balls, these are frozen. I have some ginger and some garlic. I have some greens, green onion, tofu. I love kimchi, so I have some kimchi here, some sesame oil, and I have some fresh noodles right here. And then I also have some red miso. Okay you guys, so we have the pot, it's nice and hot. I'm gonna put some olive oil, add whatever oil you like, and then we're gonna add some really important things here, some ginger, and I'm just gonna add a whole thing of onion, and we're just gonna let that cook down a little bit. Alright, forgot to mention that I do have some cloves of garlic here. I just cut them in half, and I'm just gonna add them, and they're just gonna release their delicious, beautiful flavor into the soup without the garlic. But if you want, chop it up, add your garlic. Okay you guys, so now we're gonna add some water. Okay, we might add some more a little bit later. Okay, so we're just gonna let this come to a boil, and then we're gonna start adding all of our seasonings and everything. Here's the yummy soup, it's boiling. I'm gonna take about 1/4 of a cup of miso, drop that in, and I like using a whisk to mix that and incorporate it with the water. So we're just gonna use a whisk and break it up like that, just so it's incorporated. But I'm also going to be adding maybe a tablespoon or 2 of sambal oelek chili paste. I like the color that it drops. I'll just keep adding until I think I'm done. Okay, so it's been boiling for a little bit, probably like 5 minutes. I'm gonna add my lobster balls, probably add about 4 of them, let that cook, and then we're going to be adding our lobster. We're gonna add our ramen, our greens, and then we're also gonna be adding some sesame oil to season it. So now it's time to add our lobster, and it's not going to take very long just because it's already cooked. Now it's time to add the tofu. I like these big pieces. Just add a few pieces of tofu in there. So it's time to add the ramen. I have 2 packages. So we add 1. And then we have 2, and we're gonna let this come to a boil, and then we're gonna add our greens. So let's try to break this up a little bit. Just added my greens in there. The noodles softened up super fast. And this is pretty much almost the last step. Just seasoning it and adding some more green onions. So I'm gonna try this right now. I'm definitely gonna add a little bit of the sesame oil. Gives it some great taste. A little goes a long way. If you've never tried sesame oil, I definitely would recommend. See, the noodles look done. Alright, you guys, I think I'm gonna serve this up. Alright, you guys, we're all done. I'm gonna show you the ramen. Smells so good. Alright, so I have my kimchi, I have some water. Let's take some kimchi. Put it on the side. Yummy, yummy. So I have some chopsticks. I'm not an expert, but we can try. Let's see. Ooh. Looks so good. Okay, let's see if I can take my first big bite with some chopsticks. Let's grab some kimchi. So this is the lobster ball. Some more kimchi. Here's the lobster. Okay. Take another bite of our ramen. Let me know if you guys like this setup. I spent some time trying to figure out how I could make videos a little bit better while eating. So it's been a while since I've done a video. It's been a few weeks, and I basically just took some time off from eating a little bit of donuts, give my body just a little bit of a break from the sweets. And then, I mean, it was my daughter's birthday, and then just took some time with the family. Pretty much work, family. It's so good. This isn't spicy. In all honesty, I could add some more spice. I think I want to go get some hot sauce or something. Next time I'm going to add some more chili. Some more chili to this. Let's break that open. Here's some of the meat. Should probably grab some scissors. All the good stuff is down there. Need some scissors. This is small lobster. Yeah, these are tiny. I need to get me some king crabs. I just got these from my local Asian supermarket. Just use the fork. I need a napkin, and then I'm gonna go grab some more hot sauce. So I got some sambal oelek, fresh ground chili paste. This gives it lots of flavor. I love water. This is so good. Now, as a kid, growing up, I used to eat ramen a lot. Just because as a child, we kind of had to cook for ourselves. That was one of the things that I could cook, that I learned to cook first, because it was just so easy. So I did eat a lot of ramen, packaged ramen, growing up. And then as I got older, I still like eating packaged ramen, but I know it's not good for you. So I like to cook this type of ramen. I like to switch it up. Look at the store and see what's fresh. I like seafood ramen though. I like lobster a lot. Right. I had a napkin somewhere. Okay. Okay, guys, so I got some snacks that I wanted to try with you guys. I have like a big box of snacks. I think these are, I ordered them from Amazon. So these are Japanese snacks. I don't know if this is like cheese. Can't understand anything on the package. But I wanted to try some of these with you. Which one should I try? I'm gonna try these with my soup. So let's get into this. It's so cute. Packaging though. I thought it was gonna taste like cheddar. Oh, it's onion. I think it's an onion head. It looked like it should taste like a cheese puff, but it tastes like onion. Interesting. It's not bad. What type of ramen do you guys like? What's your guys' favorite ramen? I think noodles in general are just delicious. I wonder what else we have here. What is that? Interesting. I don't know what any of this stuff is. I just know that the packaging is so cute. The packaging and everything is so cute. Should we try something else too? It's adorable. Let's try this. I don't know if it's going to be savory or sweet. What is this? What is that? Not what I expected. It tastes like that one, but it has a different seasoning on top of it. What is that seasoning? It reminds me of like a Chinese 5-spice. Kind of reminds me of that. Interesting. Trying things from different places. That's really interesting. I got a piece of lobster on that. I wouldn't say that was my favorite though. I'm just gonna put the kimchi in here. You know, this isn't my favorite. I like the corn part, the puffy part. It's kind of addicting. Even though it's not my favorite, it's kind of addicting to chew it because it's kind of like the Cheeto Puffs. It's just like the texture of it, you just feels like air, so you feel like you could just keep eating more. You know what I mean? You know, I know I've got some comments that's like, oh, but you don't finish your like donuts, or, you know, the thing about me when I eat is I just eat till I feel good, and I like leftovers, so I'll put my leftovers in the fridge and I'll eat it later. So I don't really like stuffing myself, you know what I mean? I just eat till I feel good. So that's kind of what I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna continue doing is just kind of eat to enjoy food, because I think that's what I love about food is that it tastes delicious, and I love eating, and I love eat and enjoy. Eee, look at this bite. I don't have any more kimchi. That's so good. Especially since the weather, it's been so overcasted, rainy, and we need the rain. I'm happy it's raining though. But ramen is so good on a day like today. It makes me so happy. Pretty much at the end of my soupy. Oh, you know what? Let's grab some kimchi. I love kimchi. I always have water next to me. I find that if you just have like a regular bottle you keep with you and you just keep filling it up, you'll drink more water. So this is my favorite because it keeps my water nice and chill. So if you struggle to drink water, I suggest investing in a good container. Water is important. I don't want to waste these, so I have to eat them. This one tastes better than that one, than this package though. If I was going to rate the packaging though, I give it a 10 because it's so cute. I just love their style. The packaging and oh, I'm obsessed. Oh my god, you guys, look. 사람이 좋아지면 해가 넘는 게 익숙해지면 그때. Hi guys, so we are about to eat our donuts. It's 7:23. So it's 7:23 p.m. and I got my Krispy Kreme donuts. I have to warm them up. So here are the donuts. And then I also have some Oreo thins that I got at Target because I wanted to eat them with some almond milk. I used to love having Oreos and milk. So I'm gonna have some Oreos and some almond milk. So let's get a plate and warm it up for 8 seconds because that's the recommended time. Shoo. I think I'm gonna grab a glaze and a sprinkle. Yeah, so let's warm it up. Let's see. It's like 2 of them is like a regular one. Is that how it works? Okay, let's get some milk. Way longer. I did put 2. Okay, let's get some milk. It smells nice and sweet. Oh, some of the icing melted. It was in there for a long time. I forgot. Okay. Okay, so you can see how it kind of melted, but it's nice and hot. So let's take a big bite. This one's good. I don't think I would like it as much if it wasn't hot, you know what I mean? Yeah, that one is good. Okay, we're gonna get into our glazed donut. So here's the glazed donut. Ooh, it's nice and warm. I can feel how soft and squishy it is. Okay, let's take a big bite. I mean, you already know these are so good. I'm not ready for this to be over. This is like a one bite. That's the one thing about these donuts. It's like you can inhale these donuts. It's the last bite. I haven't had these donuts in a long time. I haven't had Krispy Kreme in so long. Okay, so we have some Oreos now. I already know I'm gonna like it. I already ate two. Okay, so I'm gonna grab two of them. And I got my milk. And this is how I always used to do it as a child. I just would put my Oreos in here and I would wait till they get super soft and then I would eat them. Let's see. And they came out with so many new flavors. I saw it at the store. I haven't really tried them. Let me know if you guys have tried one flavor and you would recommend one to me to try for the first time. I've only really tried the original. But let me know what you guys think of the other ones if you tried them. I feel like it's soft. I don't really like these cookies hard. I like them dunked. I feel like, nope. It's gotta be softer. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's take And yes, I do drink the milk. Alright you guys, so that was my lobster miso ramen. It was so delicious. I'm so happy right now. If you guys want to try this recipe, I'll make sure I'll leave the ingredients linked down below if you guys wanted to try that. And you guys can mix and match this, so if you don't want to use lobster, you can use steak, chicken. I mean, you could put shrimp, whatever you want. It's really just really versatile. As long as you have the base, you can switch out the vegetables too. So if you guys try it also, let me know down below. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. I do really appreciate each and every one of you. And I hope everyone has a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening whenever you're watching this video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all of you. Thank you. Bye you guys. Bye.